How to import bookmarks from Edge to Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily import your bookmarks from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, you need to open your Google Chrome and then you need to click on three dots in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click on Bookmarks and List, and from there you need to click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Once you have done that, a pop-up box will appear and you need to select from Microsoft Internet Browser. If you want to import it from your Edge, then you need to select the bookmarks and then click on Import and then click on Done. Once you have done that, in the bookmark section you can see imported from IE and new bookmarks has been added to your Chrome browser that has been imported from your Edge browser. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.